These little par-baked rolls make a fantastic snack dinner. I'm going to fill them with gooey cheese, garlic and mushrooms. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now these little mushroom and cheese stuffed rolls make a really good snack dinner and they're ready in 15 minutes. Now none of the rest of my family likes mushrooms, so today these are all for me. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 200C or 400F. So we're going to start by making the filling. Add 8 small mushrooms that have been sliced to a bowl. Then we're going to add in 120 grams or half a cup of full fat cream cheese. Next in goes 3 tablespoons of full fat creme fraiche, plus a minced clove of garlic. And give that a good stir together so it's all combined. Now add in 50 grams, which is about half a packed cup of grated mature cheddar cheese, plus a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, and mix it all together again. So that's the simple filling made. Now we're going to hollow out the bread rolls. So we're just going to make an oblong cut in the top of the rolls and then scoop out the centre. Now we want to divide that filling between the 4 rolls. You'll need to pile it up quite high. And then place those bread rolls on a baking sheet. So don't worry about these little pieces that we've taken out of the bread rolls. You can use those for breadcrumbs, or what I like to do is place them on the tray and drizzle them with a bit of olive oil, and then you can use them for dipping as well. Now we're going to finish off the toppings for those bread rolls by sprinkling on a little handful of grated cheddar on each roll, about 25 grams or quarter of a packed cup altogether. So they're going to go in the oven now for about 10 to 12 minutes until the bread and the cheese is golden. So once they're cooked, remove them from the oven and sprinkle with a little bit of fresh parsley before serving. I like to slice them in half so they're a little bit easier to handle. And just look at that lovely gooey filling. And there you go, that's my 15-minute creamy garlic mushroom stuffed breads. It makes a fantastic snack supper. And if you're a mushroom lover like me, you've absolutely got to try them. Look at that gooey deliciousness. Oh, I mean all of them.